Think of an AI like a student taking an exam. Right now, it's a closed book exam. It answers from memory alone. So when it doesn't know something, it doesn't stop. It guesses, confidently, and often gets it wrong. Now imagine the same exam, but open book. The AI looks up the real answer first, before it responds. Suddenly, it's not guessing. It's grounded in facts. That simple shift from closed book to open book is exactly what RAG does. And by the end of this video, you'll build one yourself. So how does this open book exam actually work? Let's build it. Step by step. Step 1. The library. We take everything you want the AI to know, your documents, your notes, your guides, and split them into small pages. Each page holds one idea. Step 2. The map. Every page gets a place on a giant map of meaning. Pages about similar things land close together. Pages about different things land far apart. And this map lives in a special database built for one job, finding the nearest pages fast. Step 3. The question. When you ask something, your question lands on that very same map. And now it's simple. The closest pages are about the same thing as your question. Those are exactly the pages we need. Step 4. The answer. We hand the AI those pages together with your question and we say, answer using only this. Now it reads real information and answers from facts, not from memory, not a guess. So that's the secret. Retrieve the right pages. Augment the question. Generate the answer. Retrieval-Augmented Generation. RAG. Next up, let's build one for real. Welcome to the final chapter. Let's build your first RAG. And don't worry, no PhD required. Step 1. Gather your knowledge. Your files, your notes, your guides. Anything you want the AI to know. Step 2. Split it into pages. Small pieces, one idea each. And yes, there are free tools that do this for you. Step 3. Put every page on the map. An embedding model gives each page its place, and a vector database stores the map. Don't let the names scare you. It's just the library and the map you already know. Step 4. Fetch the nearest pages. When a question comes in, the database finds the few closest pages instantly. Step 5. Let the AI answer. Hand it the pages and the question and tell it, answer using only this. That's it. You have a working RAG. One honest tip before you go. The magic isn't in the AI. It's in fetching the right pages. Start simple, test it, and improve. And that's RAG, from problem to working system. You now understand it better than most people using AI today. If this video helped, subscribe for more. See you in the next one.